Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we generally discuss about public cloud design problem statements and their related solution. Today, we are going to discuss about Azure Data Analytics and OpenAI. The problem statement today is how to realize data analytics with Azure OpenAI services. Before that, let's try to understand what is data analytics. You can think about a simple scenario. These days, you are navigating various retail websites where you are selecting few products, you are navigating various products in their retail website, and then you are not buying it. In the very next day, you are getting various suggestions on your web browser. Okay, can you have this product with this percent discount? So how it is happening? This is the simple example. That means when you are navigating to various products and you are selecting these products, those events are getting captured. And those events, after getting captured, they are validating the emotions, and out of it, from those data, what type of product that you are selecting, what is the price range that you are selecting, and then or you are searching, and at the end, with that price range, what are all different best products that can be suggested by those retail websites they are giving you as your web browser advertisements. So this is a simple example. So it is nothing but there is a big data source from where the data is coming in a raw format, and then they are examining it, cleaning it, transforming it, and interpreting into some value out of it. That is what the meaningful insight is all about. So this is what the raw example of data analytics. So it is nothing but the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to discover meaningful insights, draw conclusion, and support decision making. These are all being applied in all the cases you will find across the world, like business, finance, healthcare, marketing, social sciences, social medias, everywhere these are all getting applied these days. So it is one of the important topic to understand what exactly data analytics is all about. Now let's try to understand how Azure is offering the data analytics capabilities via different services. So the first service that is broadly used across the Azure world is Azure Databricks. It is an Apache Spark based analytics platform that combines data engineering, data science, and machine learning. It also provides collaborative workspace and scalable compute resource for big data analytics. Second, Azure Synapse Analytics, formerly known as SQL Data Warehouse, a cloud-based data analytics service that brings together big data and data warehouse into unified platform. It supports data integration, analytics, as well as business intelligence. Third is Azure HD Insight, a managed Apache Hadoop and Spark, and along with big data clusters, the service that makes it easy to process big data using open source frameworks. Fourth, Azure Data Lake Storage, a scalable and secure data lake solution for big data analytics. It allows you to store and analyze data for any size, any type, and high ingestion speeds. So if you are thinking about, you do not know about what will be the amount of data, it can be any size. In that case, data lake storage is the best place to store the data. Then fifth one, Azure Stream Analytics. It is more for the stream related analytics activities, a real-time analytics service that allows you to process and analyze streaming data from your IoT devices, sensors, social medias, and other resources. Azure Machine Learning capabilities is more for the, while primarily a machine learning service, it's essentially for data analytics, as it enables you to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models, which are often used for data analytics tasks. Azure Data Factory, one of the best and beautiful service. You can find it in the Azure world, where it is a cloud-based data integration service that allows you to create, schedule, and manage data pipelines for moving data between various supported data sources. That means it has some linked service capabilities where you can connect to the source and destination, transform the data, copy the data, enrich the data. And the last one, Azure Power BI, a business analytics service that provides interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities with easy to use interface. So these are all various services, and Azure is evolving day by day. There are many other services are also on the way where you can find more data analytics capabilities. Now let's try to understand what is artificial intelligence. In a raw man point of view, it is the capabilities to simulation. It is the capabilities to simulate of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. That means if you try to understand, it is the capability that you train your system so that it can get the input constantly and use it as an intelligence capabilities to analyze and predict the data based on your data analytics capabilities that you are adding to it. Now, there are two types of AIs. One is weak AI and another is general or strong AI. The weak AIs are nothing but very specific to solve a particular problem. That means you can think about the example like virtual process assistants, recommendation system, image recognition tool. These are all weak AI solutions. But when you are talking about strong AI, this is the conceptual form of AI that would have the ability to understand, learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can do. That is known as strong AI, and these days strong AIs are getting interpreted as generative AI solutions, where you can give or you can make your system much more, give your human intelligence to the systems, and it will interpret the data as input the way you train it. So that is the form of strong AI. Now let's try to combine Azure with OpenAI. Let's try to understand this flow. The first part of this flow is pre-processed data. That means when a this pre-processed data is nothing but use of Azure services to clean, pre-process and prepare your data for analysis. That means when you get a raw data somewhere, you have to pre-process it. That is the first phase. Second is analyze the data. The second part is leverage the Azure data analytics services to perform traditional data analysis, find patterns and generate initial insights out of it. So once the data is processed, that means the raw data is processed, then you have to do the analysis. Then the third part is once you find the pattern, you process the data and then you have to apply AI out of it. And here you have to integrate with OpenAI services such as GPT model for advanced NLP tasks. You can use GPT to test text generation, summarization and even to understand the language related tasks as well. Then model deployment. Once you have applied those AIs, then you can prepare the model, use Azure machine learning to deploy any custom machine learning models you have developed as part of your data analytics process. Then the fifth one is visualization and decision making. Once you prepare the model, once you prepare the decisions, then you have to define how the decision will be taken care, and that is where the decision making capabilities is happening, and where you utilize Azure Power BI or other visualization tools to present your data and AI generated insights in a user friendly manner. This can support decision making within your organization. Fifth and sixth one is iterate and refine. So continuously improve it. That means if you the way you train your system, the way you deploy your various models, the same way you will get the result. So that is where the continuous improvement your data analytics and AI process by iterating on your models, refining your analysis and staying updated on the latest advancement in both Azure and OpenAI offerings. With that you can integrate all the solutions and you will find the result. So these are all main phases that you have to go through. Pre-process the data, analyze the data, apply AI, model deployment, visualization and iterate and refine it. That's how you make your system much more powerful with the model and with the refinement that you are doing. So this is the basic about Azure Data Analytics capabilities, how to realize Azure Data Analytics capabilities with OpenAI systems. We'll go through it much more in detail with various Azure OpenAI capabilities down the line. I have gathered all this information by following this link. I will share this link in the video description. Please follow them, and yeah, thanks for watching the video.